Hello guys, come. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how the how to design 2D diagrams in AutoCAD. Before going to the design 2D diagrams in AutoCAD, we have to know some commands, toolbars, command bar, and limits, units, etc. How to design any 2D diagram, we have to know all these commands and settings, etc. Before going to this video, please like, subscribe and comment and share the video. See, here is our command bar. Here we have to type units and limits. So first we'll type units. Here comes our drawing units. See, decimal, type, prescription 0.0, unit, millimeters. Okay, now limits. Type limits. Here specify lower left corner. See, 0, 0. Enter, and right specify corner. 297, 210. It is the size of A4 size paper, so you can take any limits based on your design size. Now type Z, the shortcut key of zoom. See, zoom, enter. Type all. See, your axis bar is in the corner. Now come to the first command. First command is line command. See, here is a line command. You can specify one specific point and you can draw. See, it's your line command. To come back to the command, type space. You will come out of from the command. It is your line. See, this is your line. Now here is a pen, and to move it, or you can move from your mouse from the middle row. Okay, now come to the rectangle. See, this is your rectangle. This is your rectangle. You can draw a rectangle. To again repeat the command, you can type space to come to again the command. See, again space, type space, the command will come again. How to draw a circle? See, specify one point, type radius, how much radius you want. You can see here, you can see the radius, and you can type here also. Type 25. There are so many commands in the AutoCAD, you have to learn carefully. This is a test command, you can test anything. This liner command, which you can measure the line. See, I will show you the line. One point to the specific one point. Here is your zoom out. 46 is your length of this line. Okay. You have so many commands. It is a trim command. See, you have gotten so here is the so much length. You can trim it. See. Click on the trim command. Click double enter and click it here. See, I will show you again how to use the trim command. Take this line, draw any box. See, here is a extra line Here is the extra line I have got. How to remove it? How to edit it? Click on shortcut command of trim is TR. Enter. 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 Double click and enter. The trim command will trim the out. Okay guys, that's all today about the class. You can wait for next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.